Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a flower in AutoCAD software. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. For now, I'm going at first. I want to draw a polygon on six sides. So enter 6 and draw a polygon in a striping circle. And I'm taking this one as the 10 mm, so 10. Then I want to offset it, and the distance is 2.5. Click and enter. Now I want to draw a circle here, 1.5 radius. Again taking a circle here from here to here, and again I'm making a circle from here to here. Now see. Then taking a line, sketch a line from here to here and here. And taking line again and press the 10. First of all 10, click this circle, again 10, enter, click this circle, done. Then again taking right button, click on line, then 10, enter, click here, 10, enter, click on this circle. This one is done. After that, going here, the polar array is selecting this circle, this circle, line, and this line. Then enter. Then going to the center of this hexagon, and I'm taking this one as the 6 items, six, 6 items. Then okay. After that, I'm selecting all body. Then going here, export is selecting. Then going to the trim. Then enter. Then trim it. Sorry, trim it. Okay. Similarly, trim every portion. Okay. See also. No problem. Pencil. Then I want to draw a circle again. See the center is here. Center. Then up to here. I think it's better. So selecting this one, also this, 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 this. Again, selecting all this. Tools will not be trimmed, it will be selected this way. Also this one, then delete from the keyboard. Done. See. Then taking the line and sketch a line from center to center. Okay. That button click of enter. Then taking a circle and sketch a circle from the center. Sketch up to here. Again taking a circle. Another circle is want to draw to center to center. And the circle is taken pushes here. Okay, done. Then delete this one from the keyboard and selecting this one and delete from the keyboard. Now I am going here and selecting the polygon, and the sides of the polygon will be 3. Enter. The center is here and step circle. Okay, one circle, one triangle, and again taking this one. Enter and sketching another rectangle. Okay, done. Then taking the trim. Enter. mm, Trim it. Trim it. See, the object is done. I think everybody got it how to make a flower in AutoCAD software. If you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you. Thank you so much.